Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video we take this scrap engine case and turn it into this. Alright, so the first thing I did was I removed all these case studs. If you have no idea how to do this without damaging the stud, then I'll link up to the video here as well as in the description below, so definitely check that out if you don't know how to remove these studs. It wasn't threaded. Alright, so take that out. This is more or less what I imagine it's going to look like. Now I dig into my parts bin and just get some hardware and bolts. I had this red cedar lying around and I made a little base. I also bolted it to these table legs, which I'll be using. I'm working on this bracket and I'm just trying to get the spacing for the scroll and where it's going to be bolted into the table itself. Alright, so we got it stitched together and the case sits right on top. Also, I attached brackets to bolt the engine case to the table using the original studs from before. Alright, so I'm adding this structural support to just give it overall rigidity, keep it from flexing, and it's also going to act as support for the tabletop. I bent all of the rod by hand, just using a small piece of square tubing. Alright, we've come to the end of the video now. I really had a lot of fun putting this table together and just seeing what I can come up with the materials I had lying around the shop, so hopefully you found that enjoyable. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY builds, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.